My knee locked itself here, and at the moment I chose to ignore it and breathe away the pain so I could finish the job. But when I got up later, I couldn't walk. I had to crawl out on my butt and called for my newly arrived volunteer who had gone to bed upstairs, and she had to come down and help me make up the bed in my sleeping sofa in my office because I couldn't get up on the second floor. Okay, so after the accident I had there on Monday, I spent the day after in the hospital, the second day at home working, and I went to the physiotherapist. She taught me how to stretch out my leg again, and after that I've been able to walk more and more normal again. So now I can almost walk without any limp at all, and I'm back to plastering the walls, and it's, well, 5 days later. So all in all pretty good, but the doctors think that I might have to make a new knee surgery because I operated a bunch of stuff in here, and the menisc, it's called in Swedish, that was one thing that they had to stitch back 3 years ago when I did the surgery, and they think that those stitches have ruptured now. So they think we might have to do a new surgery, but not as invasive as the last time. An x-ray revealed that the meniscus hadn't healed properly, which sometimes happen, and during the last 3 years the part that was sewn together had separated, and this caused my knee here to lock itself in a very painful position. 3 weeks later I had a surgery and they removed this part of the meniscus so this wouldn't happen again. So let me show you what I've been doing. So I finished all this area here, down there, this area, and now I'm gonna tackle this and up here. I started to do these lime plaster repairs, I did a lot of research. The local manufacturer Moaboa have a lot of reading material and manuals, and they're quick to reply to any questions I have on email. I am using natural hydraulic lime plaster, NHL, from Saint Ostier in France. Natural hydraulic lime sets when being exposed to both water and air, compared to non-hydraulic lime, which sets when being exposed to air only, and it's softer and sets more slowly. My walls have been both repaired with cement when installing electricity, and they have been wallpapered. And I also have one wall with drywall. This means that this is not my last step of preparing the walls before painting with lime paint, as natural lime paint only adheres to natural lime plaster. You also can't use lime paint on lime plaster that has been wallpaper because of the glue. Moaboa has developed a product of hydraulic lime and mineral aggregate that adheres to non-absorbent surfaces like drywall and cement. It's called Marmorino Grund or Marmorino Primer, and I will apply this with a 3mm layer and then another thin layer of ready mix of non-hydraulic lime plaster, but this will be another video. In this video I'm still repairing the holes made during the demolition, so my main focus now is to make the wall even, not smooth, and in some places I have built up the holes in layers. First a mix with 0 to 4mm sand grains, and lastly a 0 to 2mm sand grain. Lime plaster should be applied in thin layers, so if you need to apply more than 50mm, you need to fill up the area in layers. And these layers should be rough so that the next layers adheres easily.
Well, my friends say, girl, you better take care, 'cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And though deep down I know I might be headed for teardrops, now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No, no. 'Cause I love you, baby. I can't let you go, baby. I gotta tell you that I won't. I've been looking for love so true. When I was down and out, along came you. Though you might be a liar and a cheat too, I just can't quit you now 'cause I love you.